They curse and they swear, and then they give up for good. When a bird gets set on fire, it flies and flies. It knows it's gonna die, it's just gonna try to live. It doesn't give a fudge. It just wants to live out its life to its fullest. Be like the bird on fire, never give up. Be like the bird on fire, never give up. Be the bird. You're just gonna give up. What about all that work you did 5 minutes ago? It makes me mad how dumb we act when a bird is set on fire. It keeps flying higher and higher to try to get rid of the flame instead of just letting it overcome. Be like the bird on fire and don't give up. Be like the bird on fire and don't give up. The bird is you. The bird is you. The bird is you. Don't let it down. The bird is you. The bird is you. The bird is bird on fire and never give up your desires. Be like the bird on fire, never give up.